If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. And that's what we're going to explore from the Redwood Forest in this episode of Plant-Based Life Lessons. Redwood trees, also known as sequoia trees, the tallest trees on Earth, don't grow in isolation. They grow in interconnected groves with roots that intertwine beneath the soil, providing support and stability. Alone, a redwood would fall due to its height, but together they create a towering forest. Individually, these trees wouldn't be able to grow to these towering heights as their roots don't go very deep. The sequoia tree roots stay shallow and interconnected to other sequoia trees around it, forming a strong network of interconnected roots. Redwoods' roots are only about 6 to 12 feet deep, but they can stretch out and intertwine with other trees' roots up to 50 feet. This allows the trees to support each other by sharing nutrients, physically supporting each other, withstanding strong winds, and holding each other up. Redwoods that grow together are healthier and live longer than those that grow alone. In a forest, resources are redirected based on need, helping struggling trees survive. The interconnectedness of these mighty trees not only allows its own kind to thrive, but there are several different flora and fauna with their own little micro-ecosystems thriving within these towering redwoods. Sometimes, even these large redwood forests are threatened by the same organisms that thrive in them. Soil-borne organisms can cause root rot in redwoods. Phytophthora root rot can cause the foliage of a coast redwood to wilt, yellow and dry out. Armillaria root rot can affect stressed under or overwatered redwoods. And hence it's extremely important for these towering giants to not lose sight of their foundation while reaching for the skies. Whether you're a people leader, an individual contributor, or an autonomous worker, something for everyone to consider is that it's in our best interest to seek out opportunities to partner for success. We must strive to build this interconnectedness, leveraging the strengths of others to create something far greater than what any individual can achieve, and knowing that each of us has our own role to play and leadership of that role to demonstrate. A sort of leadership that is distributed across our network of people, also known as horizontal leadership. We can easily learn from the redwood forests is that horizontal leadership is not a designation or a title. It's a mindset and behaviors that all of us can demonstrate. Try this activity for yourself first and then with your team. Go get a pen and paper or any scribbling instrument. Pause the video if you need to find one. Draw 4 large squares. In each square, write one of these statements. 1. Sharing nutrients. 2. Physically supporting each other. 3. Withstanding strong winds. 4. Holding each other up. Here, reflect on what does sharing nutrients mean to you. More specifically, to the role you play. Think of it as something that allows someone to feel sustained and motivated. Could also be monetary or tangible. Or maybe providing opportunities that inspire others. Or it could be nurturing someone by teaching them something they could use to get better for themselves. Even little life or work hacks. Make a list of things you could do to share nutrients. Once you've completed the first square, move to the next until all 4 are completed. Revisiting this often will allow you to be consistent in developing a mindset and behaviors of horizontal leadership. Consider running this activity with your teammates. And here is a thought I'd like to leave you with. The creation of 1,000 forests is in one acorn. Do you know someone who might enjoy or need to learn about what horizontal leadership could mean for them? Share this video with them. If you enjoyed learning from plants, do hit that subscribe button, as there is so much more you can get from this channel on plant-based life lessons. And if you've made it till here, please hit that like button. It really helps me a lot when you comment and like these videos. Loads of gratitude for your time on this channel.